up the conveyor belt. Turn that on right there. And here raises and lowers 4-way splitting wedge, and then I got one here for raise and lower the log lift. And then I also got one here to raise and lower my conveyor. I need to raise the conveyor up. You can got a cylinder over there. You can see here I can raise it up and lower it. And then got the one here for the boom. Some overhead lift here. Set them big ones up. Got the log tongs on there. And it'll swivel around. There, swivel there. Pump here. Speed it up with a 4-to-1 ratio in there. Going off the PTO of the tractor. Just sitting there idling for the most part. Here's the other side of it. Pretty good job. A little rough looking, but got a hydraulic motor down here that controls the conveyor belt. There's a big cylinder to raise and lower the conveyor. The loader split last night. That load. One person's doing pretty good. A couple really helps out though. Got this here left to split. Here in a little bit. Most of this will I just have to give to me if people cut the old big stuff that they don't want to wrestle with. So I can take the trailer down, they'll just load it up for me. I'm going to look at my controls here. Got a needle valve there to help with the flow control to speed up or slow down the conveyor.